Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to make homemade condensed milk using just two ingredients, milk and sugar. This is a great alternative to store-bought condensed milk and it's perfect for baking, coffee and desserts. So let's dive right in. Alright, to start off, I have here 2 cups of regular milk. I'm using whole milk, which is for the rich texture. I also have 3/4 cup of sugar for the perfect sweetness. Okay, what I'll do is to pour in my milk into a saucepan, then add in my sugar. Over a medium-low heat, I'm going to stir it until it is fully dissolved. Now we'll let the mixture simmer on low heat for 30 minutes to 40 minutes, making sure to stir occasionally so it doesn't burn or stick to the pan. Okay, as it cooks, the milks will slowly reduce, thicken and develop a beautiful creamy texture. You know it's ready when it's has a slightly golden color and coats the back of a spoon. Once that is done, we'll remove it from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Then transfer it into a clean jar or container. This will continue to thicken as it cools down. Okay, and just like that, you've made yourself homemade sweetening condensed milk, perfect for your favorite recipes. Okay, you can store it in the fridge for up to 1 week in an airtight container. Use it for your coffee, tea, dessert, or even homemade ice cream. And there you have it. You have yourself your homemade condensed milk with just 2 ingredients. Super easy and so much better than store-bought. If you find this recipe helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the bell notification so you never miss out on any of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until I come your way with another delicious recipes, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.